What's up, people? So I'm trying something different here. I'm going to try to do a lab and drink some beer at the same time. And this lab is going to consist of installing the Cassandra database. So I'm going to read the docs and install it. Run some tests and see what happens. So let's go ahead and crack this beer open first. First pop. Let's get started. All right. So I'm going to use Linux Academy. All right. So for this experiment, I'm going to spin up a new server. So let's just click on new server, Centos 7. All right, call it Cassandra. All right. So let's pull up the documentation here. So it looks like I can install this from a RPM. So let's see. I just need to add this repo. Let's check the status of the server. I should call this one Bear and Code. All right, so the server is ready. Oops. Yeah, this is a live lab, so you're definitely going to see some mistakes. All right, I'm going to become root. Just going to verify that I am running CentOS 7.6. Okay. Let's add the repo. So I'm just going to create a new file. Call it openkb.repo. I'm going to put this content in there. this lab is not about how to set up repos, so I'm just gonna speed through this. Let's do a yum update. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is install Cassandra. Yum install Cassandra. I might be done as bare by the time the lab is over. So let's go ahead and just update Perl. I mean, I'm not going to be using Perl, but let's update it. Alright. So yum install Cassandra. Let's see if this works. Yep. Installing. So while that's installing, so here we go. Centos 7 is using System D, but this is telling me to use service Cassandra start. Let's see. All right. Come on. Yes. Excuse me. Alright, so let's do a system CTL daemon reload. I'm just going to type it out. Hold on. There we go. Status Cassandra. So it's not on, so that's fine. So I'm not going to start it yet.